Right, so here we go again. Myself and Linsey, there she is, getting ready. We're off to Wales. Travelling down to Wales tonight. We're going to try and catch some smooth-hounds, some taupe, some rays, anything that swims. We're on it. So here we are, as promised, we're down in South Wales. I kid you not, we could be anywhere, anywhere in Europe. It is like you're on a Greek island. It's fantastic. We're down here with a fella called Lee, who we met via Instagram, kind enough to show us some marks. So I've got Lee over there he is, I'm fishing there. And then we got Linsey just over the way. But what about that for scenery? Few fishermen. We're trying to target taupe, hounds, rays, taupe being the big thing that everyone's after. Hence the reason the amount of people are fishing here on this mark. I say it is stunning, absolutely stunning. Sun's gone in at the minute. I need to put some sun cream on. So I'll show you what I'm using. So we've got my trusty duo, my Achios Hellraiser, my Sonetic Rextail Surf 420. I paired them up with the SKS 8000 reels. To be fair, they're only cheap, but I have to say from Sonic, cheap reels from Sonic, but they do the business for me. I'm really pleased with them. And then here we go to the business end. So I'm running a 6.0 meat hook on a pulley. You can see that pulley from Trident. So hopefully that's going to do me the business. And also running a 4.0 again on a pulley from Trident. So we'll see how that goes. We'll just see how that goes. You never know your luck. I'll stick some bait on, and then I'll come back to you. Tide's running a bit strong at the minute, so we're me being me, I'm a little bit lazy. I'm going to wait. I don't want drama. Don't like drama, as you know. So I'll do a bit of filming, talk to the guys, and I'll come back when I'm just about to cast out. I'll show you the bait we're using. Some little joeys, some sand eel, and some squid, all from Tim at Easy Bait. Don't worry, I'm not washing my clothes. Little tip, what a fantastic box for your weights. Money saving tips with Field. There you go. So yeah, I'll get some bait on. I'll give you a look once it's on. One rod, the size 4 is going to get the sand eel and squid wrap, and then I'm going to stick a mackerel of some description, mackerel head, half a mackerel. Lee's going to guide me on that. I'm not going to cast just yet. The tide is ripping through, but as soon as I do, I'll give you a look. Okay, so as promised, we'll have a look at some baits on my 4.0 dropper. A 4.0 dropper, I'm going to talk about my 4.0 pulley. There we go. Some delicious double sand eel squid wrap. Not bad for a carp fisherman. That's what Lee has just said to me. And then on my meat hook, look at that bad boy. So this is my taupe rig, which we're hoping for a taupe today. Mackerel through the middle, like surgery, that hook's inserted in there, wrapped up nice and tight, and we're ready to rock. So I'm just gonna wait an extra few minutes now for the tide. It's still ripping through at the minute, so we'll give it 20 minutes and then we'll give it a cast out, see what we're up to. But yeah, looking forward to it, really looking forward to it today. We're not fishing tonight, we're going to go fishing, but the local advice is that it's just not worth it. There's lots of dogfish and not enough of the target species, which was the small, which was rays really. But nevertheless, the hotel has a bar. Oh yeah, so there will be no doubt having a few beers. But yep, so getting ready to go. I might put the chest cam on in a minute, just in case we get a bit of action. Hopefully we do, but whoever catches, whether it's Lee there, Linsey there, we'll be bringing you back for some action hopefully once we get going. So a bit of luck, we'll bring you back shortly and it'll be a fish fest. Talk to you soon. So, fishy update. There are no fishes. I haven't even cast yet. We're still waiting for the tide to slow down a bit. There's a little bit of weed in the water. People are struggling with that. So, again, not going to waste my time. Don't want drama. I'm just going to wait, be patient, and cast at the perfect time to hopefully bring in a fish. That's my plan. We'll see how we go. Stunning where we are, as you can see. I know I keep saying it. There we go. It don't get much better than this. It's a lovely, lovely day. Lots of anglers, all searching for their quarry, all trying to catch the same thing, but I'm going to catch it and they're not. That's my plan. But I do genuinely hope that one of the three of us catches something, so the video has some content, which would be ideal. But anyway, be casting soon and we'll bring you back guaranteed fish. Okay, so we're fishing. I don't know if you can hear the squeal of the line. There's a little bit of breeze, not too much, but the tide's still moving. The weights are holding now. Mackerel on one, sand eel and squid on the other. So yeah, here we go. As promised, I guaranteed fish today. Linsey has, we believe, a fish.
I think it's the line. Bottom hook.
That's the line. Line there. Change of tactic for next cast. Although I promised you fish, myself and Lee still haven't had one. So what we're going to do is this. Two little peelers, 4-0 hook. Come to daddy. That should, with Linsey's little capture, that should get us a fish. That's what we're hoping, because I've never had a hound. I've never caught a lot, to be honest, sea fishing. Not to say I don't like it, but it is what it is. I'm gonna wash my hands. There we go. Right, give it 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna unleash the crab. She goes again. So on the crab bait again. I think Linda's in. Decent fight. There's Lee there on weed duties. There we go. It's caught on the bottom one. Or top one.
Wayne's got a fish on.
There we go, people. I promised you fish. Look at that beauty. Whoa.
I tell you what, still.
So there we go. £10.11 of Smooth-hound.
Okay.
What a fish.
One down.
So
Lindsay's Smooth-hound there. What did you get it on?
It was on two crab on a pulley pennel.
Excellent.
There's a lot of stuff coming out. Do you want to release him? Safe, because you've got
Yeah,
no
I've got boots on. I'll release him, save you getting wet.
That'd be very handy. Thank you.
I always do the tough jobs. And he's come to see you though.
Oh, off you go, mate. Wrong way. Oh, beautiful. They're so pretty, aren't they?
See, look, she's actually got, she's got an army of people helping her fish.
Just like,
She's literally like a celebrity. I know, she's like a celebrity. She's like a bloody celebrity. Anyway, I guaranteed you fish, and we've had a fish. You gotta love it. So yeah, pleased. Lindsay got a Smooth-hound. Now we need a tope.
oh, nice.
This is on mixed rigs.
Another nice size there.
I always do it that way for safety.
Yeah.
So that you protect the fish. Put the rod on the reel up the way for the Alice, and then the boys are mounting.
Yeah, look at him.
Alright.
He's happier. No. How stunning.
He's walking a hound.
And I promised you fish, and this is my second. Say hello. Say hello.
Woo.
There we go. Second one.
Excellent.
Second one, crab baits. Two little crabs. There we go. So we're going to put him back. Won't keep him out of the water like the others. We'll get him straight back.
Lovely.
He's only a baby.
Well done. Come on, because I've got no bait in the water. Get him out there.
So there we go. Bit frantic there for an hour. Lindsay had two relatively quickly. I was playing my large fish, £10.11, don't you know? That's my first ever Smooth-hound, common Smooth-hound. Just go to show you. So Lindsay caught on crab. I was on sand eel and squid. It just goes to show you that sometimes you just got to ring the changes. Danny Fairbrass used to say, unlock the code. You have to unlock the code, and the code is peelers. And I had two fish really quickly, one after the other. Now the tide's starting to run again now. It's starting to flood. So I'm not sure how long this is going to remain fishable, but we're going to keep going, and you never know. Yeah, it's been great. You can't ask for more than that. Two decent Smooth-hounds for me, two for Lindsay. We'll enjoy our beer tonight, that's for sure. So yeah, if we get any more action, we'll bring you back. But thanks to Lee, Mick Woodbrignall, thank you for the rig. My pulley rigs made by Mick. Bought the fish home today. So all in all, brilliant. If we don't catch another fish now, we're not going to moan, but we'll keep one eye on the rods. Okay, so that's the end of our day 1 Wales adventure. 2 smooth-hounds each for me and Linsey. Fantastic result. Never fished a crab before, never caught a smooth-hound before, and I've gone and nailed a 10 pound 11 common smooth-hound. Couldn't write it really, but well chuffed. But we're fishing again tomorrow. We was going to fish tonight, as I think I said, but the locals are saying it's not going to be any good, so we'll follow that advice. We're going to go fishing tomorrow morning at High, possibly a beach called the Nap, Boulder Beach. You might have seen one of our previous videos. I think we filmed there before. We didn't catch anything then, but we're going to try this time. We'll try again. Hopefully we might get some rays, just don't know, but we're going to go again tomorrow. So until then, we'll see you again.